Hello, welcome to the second video of our self-help series. Okay, you must have seen the first video on the waste emotions. If not, go back and see that and let us talk about the second topic, which is I am not controlling. राइट हम सबको ये लगता है कि मैं कंट्रोलिंग नहीं हूँ, मैंने क्या कंट्रोल कर लिया, मैं तो सब खुद से कर रही हूँ, आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग, यू नो आई डोंट से एनीथिंग टू एनीवन, बट इट्स जस्ट दैट आई फील टायर्ड. ठीक है, तो लेट अस डिकोड द टायर्डनेस. हाउ टायर्डनेस इज लिंक्ड टू कंट्रोलिंग. ओके, do you feel you are overworking? Do you feel you are drained all the time? Like non-stop, you're working, and then you are drained, right? And you might also feel that I am only doing all the work. सब काम मैं ही कर रही हूँ. No one is helping me. किसी को दिख ही नहीं रहा है कि I am doing all the work. No matter what. For example, you are planning a trip. You might feel कि I have to plan everything. सारा कुछ मैं ही कर रही हूँ. From booking the tickets, from itinerary, from everything. It can be your office thing. Everything I have to check. वरना कुछ होता ही नहीं है. I have to participate and do, otherwise things don't move. And in your house in a festival season, you might feel ki, you need to be doing everything from kitchen to house to relatives to guests to gifts, everything. So that might be one thing which you feel ki no one helps me, I'm doing all the stuff, and in the end you feel exhausted, frustrated, tired, and you feel that you don't have any time for self and you have no time to prioritize yourself. If this is the case, I want you to let us decode what is the issue. Why are we not able to prioritize ourselves? Okay, so what happens in most of the cases, we feel like if I leave some work on someone else, it will not happen. वो होगा ही नहीं, वो करेंगे नहीं, it will be left, and then I have to do in the end. One is this, that you are not able to leave stuff on others and you feel like in the end you have to do. Second can be, the other person doesn't do it properly, so you think इससे better है कि मैं ही करूँ, बाद में मुझे फिर से करना ही पड़ेगा. So that is another thing we do, that is perfectionism. One is perfectionism. Second is we don't want to leave. हमने किसी और को काम दिया, उसने नहीं किया तो छोड़ सकते हैं, but we are so scared of consequences. This perfectionism and fear of consequences doesn't help us. We take the pressure and we start doing everything by our own. Third thing is that we don't trust other person to do it properly. We feel that I know better, I can do better. अगर बोला तो गड़बड़ होगा ही, मैं ही कर लेती हूँ. We can't trust. We don't leave it on others at all. Right? If these are the cases with you, we need to understand that we need to get rid of all of this. If you really want help, if you really want someone to participate with you, contribute in your work. Okay, so how to do that? You need to start leaving the work on someone. नहीं किया छोड़ दो. Wait, it's not only your loss. Of course it is your loss. But last में ये नहीं बोलना है मैंने पहले से ही बोला था, I told you, you will not do, you won't be able to do, देखा तुमने गलत कर दिया, ऐसे करना था. We start teaching how to do, when to do, etc. We don't let the other person do the way they want to do things. It can be small things. A lot of families have gone through this whole cycle during COVID period when we were locked in our houses, because we have our own set of ways of doing things, but we do not accept the other person's ways of doing things. It's okay if there is some loss. You need to bear the consequences together. It's okay to get some delay in your work, and it's always not important to have some to do things एकदम perfectly. कई बार चीजें होनी भी जरूरी होती. If suppose if there is a Diwali in my house and my daughter is making rangoli and I tell her aisa nahi hua waisa nahi hua, it can be better. One thing, she'll lose her confidence. Second thing, it will come on me. Third thing, I'll feel exhausted, frustrated and tired. Fourth thing, how will she learn? So sometimes we need to get rid of the perfectionism. So recheck whether you are controlling or not. And let us work on these to get rid of overtiredness, drain, no time for self. If you want to prioritize yourself, I want you to get rid of perfectionism. Bear the consequences, it's okay. And to not teach you could have done better, how to do it, every step. Imagine someone guiding you every minute of your life, every step of what you do. If someone is standing on your head, do this, do this, do this, will you be able to do? No, right? We can't do that. So let us stop all of it to have some peace in life, to have some trust, some sharing of the work, sharing of life. Perfect? Thank you. See you in the third video.